Don't worry. This is for your own good.
What?
I transformed her. I gave her a new life.
Whoa! Whoa! Hi guys! Welcome back to Chaos Cody TV! Today we are going to be reacting to OPILA BIRD Sad Origin Story. I think that's what it is. I'm confident this time. Let's get right into this. The hardest part about this thing is getting the name right. Oh no, what's this? What? The button's changing colour, what's that mean? Oh no, the bird! What was my colour? I don't know. Ah! Oh jeez. Running across the wooden plank. Need to get away fast. That bird seems fast. Oh no. Are you okay?
Oh my god.
What the actual?
Oh, what is this place?
I don't know.
Look what we have here.
Red? Red thingy
I should
monster.
be
I
asking
forgot his
the very
name.
same question.
I used to go to this kindergarten.
What do you mean?
I think.
Oh, you did you?
Really?
Then you must remember me.
Remember?
What the?
Yep.
What's going on in
I
this
think
place?
she does remember you.
What was that freaking bird thing that was chasing me?
I don't
Oh,
know.
dear OPILA BIRD. She's certainly memorable, isn't she? But
I
you
mean,
know, she
true.
wasn't always this terrifying.
Really?
OPILA was actually a human once, just like you are.
She was? What
Right.
happened?
Now, I'm not going to spoil all the fun.
Oh,
OPILA
I
was
like
actually this
fun.
kindergarten's very own art teacher. Yes, she was a wonderful instructor, great with children, even though she herself had a
looks very
less than
happy.
ideal upbringing. You see, OPILA didn't exactly have many friends growing up.
Oh,
She
that's
always seemed to have a
sad.
hard time making friends.
Ooh,
and was treated
birds.
like an outcast.
No!
And the few
Poor
companions she
birds.
found in nature
Stop,
were often
boys!
shooed away
You're
by
harming
other children.
animals.
They were relentless, always putting OPILA down, laughing and calling her awful names.
Don't
It was
call
so
her
bad, in fact,
that.
that she
It's not
often
very
was forced to
nice.
eat her lunches alone in order to avoid the unending bullying from her
That's
classmates.
really sad.
Which meant she spent a lot of time in the school's abandoned art
Ooh,
room.
art room.
And
I'm
while
not
she
very
was
good at
still
art
lonely,
myself.
At least here she could doodle and just be herself without fear.
Yeah.
Being secluded in that room
Ooh,
meant that
that's
she
really
had a lot
good.
of
I like
time
that.
to practice her drawing skills. Every day, over and over and over again.
How
Her
much
parents
time are you
became
spending in
increasingly
there,
concerned
man?
about her lack of
You
friends,
should probably get out
so they
there.
decided to get her someone to talk to.
Ooh, nice. Oh, hello, bird.
Hi. Oh, hi.
At
Oh,
last,
can
someone
you
to have a conversation with who wasn't going to ridicule and humiliate her.
Would you want to look at my drawings? I think you might
Yeah,
like
they're really
them.
good. I
The
like
two hit it off right away.
I think we're gonna get along real nice.
Quickly, the bird became her only true friend, and for once,
At least she
OPILA
has
felt
a
happy,
friend.
though unfortunately, it didn't help her at school. The countless days spent in solitude were wearing on her.
Oh, no.
This is actually kind of good.
Yeah, it's actually really good.
As it turned out, OPILA was turning into a very good artist, an
Yeah.
amazing one even, until one day, she decided
What
to
happened?
enter into a drawing contest at school with all of her classmates.
Ooh.
OPILA was so nervous of what
Yes!
the others would say. but
That
she
one's the
actually won.
winner.
She
Hooray,
decided then
you
and
won.
there that this is what she wanted to do with the rest of her life. And she did everything
Hooray!
possible to
You
make her
follow
new
your
dream of
passion,
being an
'cause
artist a
eventually
reality.
Your passion
Then
will
one day,
come true.
Tragedy struck.
Whatever they say.
OPILA's
Stop.
annoying cousin Kevin moved back to town after spending some time away at boarding school.
Oh, no.
He also had an interest in painting, so their parents thought
It's
it would be a
not the
good idea
best,
for
but
them
it's
to
not
spend
that
some time
bad
together.
either.
Birds? They're so lame.
Oh, stop.
I like birds.
Yeah, well, they're stupid and ugly and annoying.
No,
They're not even good pets.
Yeah, they are.
Fine.
you mean?
You're stupid and ugly and annoying.
And for the first time, OPILA decided to stand up for herself.
Yes!
She wasn't going to take this bullying
Come on!
anymore,
Throw that bucket on his head!
Hey! What the heck is wrong with you?
What the heck is wrong with you?
That's it! You're gonna pay for that! Fly away, little guy!
No,
the end night for the bird to return. But it was long gone, and from that day, OPILA and Kevin were arch enemies. Unfortunately, they were the same age and went to the same school, so it was impossible for OPILA to avoid him. He made her life miserable, picking on her every chance he got, and encouraging the others to pile on. Plus, they both were still interested in painting, so they constantly were around one another in the art room too. They were both working on a big project, a design for a new mural to be painted on the side of the school. Whoever's drawing was selected was given a prestigious award, one that could get you into any art program in the country. They both wanted it more than anything. But while OPILA
Come on, I
seemed
forgot
confident
your
in her
name, but
work,
come on,
Kevin
girl.
struggled to come up with any good ideas of his own.
What
So
is
he
that?
decided to take hers.
No, that's
OPILA
cheating.
waited weeks to hear back about her design, but she was never contacted. Then one day, she realized why.
Kevin?
Huh?
What are you doing? That's my design!
What?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Because the judges told me you never submitted one.
What?
What? Wait,
Wait.
did you?
No.
You stole my design, you jerk!
Oh, yeah?
How dare
Prove
you?
it.
He's gonna pay for this. Don't know
Yeah.
how, but he will.
And that was OPILA's final straw. Her
Yes,
devotion to her art
definitely.
was so strong that it led
You
her to do
can
something
take
she'd
her
regret
bird.
later.
You can take her stuff,
What?
but you can't
How could
steal
this
her
happen?
drawing.
She felt a rush. This was sweet revenge for what he did to her. Unfortunately, she was eventually caught. OPILA was expelled for vandalizing the mural, while Kevin went on to a prestigious painting academy. He became
Come
very
on.
successful, while she was just a wannabe artist who peaked in high school. Her only creative outlet was more vandalism, which made it nearly impossible to find a job.
Yeah.
Convenience stores, restaurants,
Rejected?
even pizza deliveries all denied her based on her troubled
again?
past.
Oh
That
no.
is, until she stumbled onto a very special flyer,
Hiring any.
Anyone, you say?
and she finally found her place. She played a huge part of the kindergarten's early success. Many of the paintings that grace these walls were the work of dear OPILA, and children flocked to see her colorful characters. She lightened up the place, played with the children, and taught them about art. But when class sizes started to dwindle, OPILA knew the end of Banban's kindergarten was near. But she was desperate. She couldn't lose this job. So she decided to speak with the principal directly.
Excuse me, sir? I know things are looking bleak around here, but I want you to know that without this job, I don't know how I'll be able to buy groceries or pay my rent. Please don't fire me. I'll do anything.
Oh, don't worry, my dear OPILA. It's been a pleasure having you as an employee. In fact, come with me, and we'll make sure you never have to leave ever again.
Stop! No, don't do that!
Don't worry, this is for your own good. I
That's
transformed her.
not.
I gave her a new life.
Whoa!
She
Whoa!
became our beloved OPILA bird.
Oh
You
no.
know, you might make a lovely test subject as well.
I don't think so.
Yeah! Spray it in his face! Run away! Run away! Get out of there, man! Oh no, the OPILA bird's gonna be there. Yep! That's not good.
No,
No!
please.
No! My god. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this reaction. If you did, smash the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye!